You can't fix yourself.
I can't.
And now everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
The hood is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.